Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Dropbox Sync on Windows 11 detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your Windows 11 device. Click on the Start menu located on the taskbar. In the search bar, type Microsoft Store and hit Enter. Once the Microsoft Store opens, use the search bar within the store. Type Dropbox in the search bar and press Enter. Locate the Dropbox app from the search results. Click on the Get or Install button to download Dropbox. Once the installation is complete, open the Dropbox app. You will be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you already have a Dropbox account, enter your credentials and click Sign In. If you need to create a new account, follow the prompts to set one up. After logging in, you will see a setup guide. Make sure to select the folder you wish to sync with Dropbox. You can choose to sync all files or specific folders. Click on the Sync button to begin the synchronization process. Your Dropbox files will now start syncing to your Windows 11 device. Monitor the sync progress through the Dropbox interface. You can access your synced files in the Dropbox folder created on your computer. Customize your sync preferences through the Settings menu in Dropbox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.